watch news, please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hey.
Did you tell me everything? Alright, whatever. Who the fuck do you think it is?
Who is it? Who is it?
Really? Okay, do it. 3, go! Alright, fuck it. Okay.
My door.
Okay, you guys are right.
Get on my garage. Come on. Get on my garage. You're good. No, it is now. I don't know.
Hey, put my motherfucking package down, nigga.
I'm sorry, I was trying to tell you it was outside.
No, you ain't trying to tell me shit. You ain't knock on my door and my husband coming outside. So put my shit down and keep moving. You don't need to tell me a motherfucking thing.
It's okay, I'll call the police and let him know.
If you're not going to be on point like this lady,
Exactly.
check out your other delivery options.
Yeah, Jay, you see that?
You don't know what I was.
This guy comes to this door looking pretty confused. He has a bag of pills in his hands.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, what can I do for you?
They're on the same train as Missouri. We're just trying to get our teams in the right places and everything.
I'm sorry?
Don't forget to keep those doors locked and try not to leave any personal information or valuables in your vehicle.
Get away from my car!
This man hops into this backyard trying to hide from somebody.
Are you hiding from somebody?
Let me give you support, please. This one right here, remember me like he stay here in the car. Is a security for me. Is a say I mean.
Why?
No.
Why is he looking for
It's
you?
different. Face.
Why is he looking
Yeah, I
for
mean
you?
every day is a go jail free. No me question. He's a face no case worker. You know remember me?
So who's looking for you?
Yeah, it is.
Who is it? I said.
Yeah, you know you remember I mean kick it down here 1, 2, 3. Like everything.
Who is it? Who's the guy?
Out like he, he's a say He say you giving me support like a night. I mean stay here. It's a big house. Like here no support. Let me
I can't have you here when my husband comes home to the
no me no me drug. No me drug. He's tomorrow. He's a little no.
Why don't you go out that other way and go to the other side?
Let me give you water, please. Water.
I don't have any water. Go to the front yard.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I didn't know I to the dealership.
I guess his taxes just hit. Check this man out. He has 100 stories. Let me know if you believe any of them.
My brother died in his house. Oh. And I just brought some flowers for you guys in New Orleans. Oh. I couldn't sleep last night, so I had a hard time. Oh, sure. His name is Derek. I'm Eric. We were supposed to take over California, but you know, people hate him.
When was that?
And I forget what year it was, but he owned this house.
Oh.
So you guys got a nice house, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
The lady will have with you on the fence in the back.
Uh-huh.
The fence.
Uh-huh.
It's down.
Yeah.
Because when it was for sale, I couldn't try to buy it.
Oh.
But my credit, I had stuff on my credit. I own a car lot.
Oh,
You Mexican?
sorry? No, I'm not yet.
We're 11, and look, there's the bullet. Afghan shot me in the war.
Ladies, please try to get you some mace, pepper spray, bear mace, a gun, whatever you can. Try to protect yourselves from these creeps.
It's a nigga here. You gotta keep playing like that.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.
Fuck you, motherfucker!
This man may have some OCD problems. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.